Hey guys. So it appears my sleep schedule has some kind of self-preservation instinct. I fell asleep immediately last night and woke up ass early, which I suppose is good. I don't know, I can work more effectively when I'm rested anyways, I guess. Yeah, so still in the daylight. I was planning on skipping the vlogging today because I figured I'm just gonna have to work all day and like what interesting things could we come up with then? But I was getting such great shots of the snow this morning. I think we can find something to talk about. But yeah, it's I got a lot of work to catch up on. Guys, I just looked outside the window and we got like these huge icicles. I didn't even notice these things being made. Look at this. That's huge. Where'd that even come from? I just looked up and I was like, what, oh my god? What? What? Look at, it's so big. It's my hand. Okay, actually, I guess that isn't very good for perspective because it's a couple feet, but still, that's like, it's huge.
Eric, it is I, you from the future. All you do today is watch that branch wave back and forth and talk about that stupid icicle. Salvage the vlog. Go forth and make a dank sandwich.
Holy shit. Let's go make a dank sandwich.
What you gonna put on top?
Cheese too?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. What's that?
Take a picture of the muffins.
I think I got a little short one yesterday.
You know, my little princess wants a muffin. I'm doing a ballet over here. Okay.
Okay. I don't know. I think it's cool. Like, shut up. I know icicles are a thing, but come on. It's big. Yeah.